In this video I'll show you how to remove permanent marker from a whiteboard. For example, here I have the whiteboard marker and permanent markers, and I have a few permanent markers right here. What is it? So I have here one of these is a whiteboard marker. This is the one that's made for whiteboards. It's written on it, dry erase marker. Okay, so I have here, this is the whiteboard marker, and this is the whiteboard marker, and the rest here are permanent markers, and I'll try them all. So you see what happens when you write with the whiteboard marker, but also with the permanent marker. So this is a whiteboard marker. That's whiteboard marker, and you can actually use a sponge to dry erase it like this. So you erase the marker. It's a bit wet actually, this one, but okay, I could use the cloth. So now this one is dry. You can even use your finger to remove it, like this, and it doesn't make any stuff on your finger, like that. But it's easier to use some kind of cloth. If it doesn't get removed, you can use a bit of alcohol, 70% or more. Wait a bit and then wipe it. This whiteboard is a bit scratched. So that's why it's like that. But I'll show you now dry. And then this is the permanent one. There's pretty much not much of a difference between them. The permanent is darker when you look at it. The permanent marker is darker when you look at it, but you will know the difference when you try to remove them. So the dry marker gets removed while the permanent marker doesn't. So how you get rid of the permanent marker? I'll show you right now. So I could put red, blue, and I'll put dry again. Okay, so we have all types of markers here, and you will see the dry erase. I can even remove it with my finger, but the other ones no. So dry erase, it's easy to remove it, but the other ones, they stay there. To remove permanent marker from a whiteboard, you can use 70% alcohol or higher, like 80% or 75%. Spray a bit, and look how it's starting to melt. You might have to do it a few times. And look, the permanent marker is starting to fade away, just like that. And now all I do is wipe with the cloth. I wipe with the cloth and it's gone. If you still see some kind of traces there, you can spray again. You can wait longer, or just wipe it again as it is. For this one, I might have to wait just a bit longer. This is why you should not use permanent markers on these whiteboards, You should only use the dry erase markers that are made for this, that are easy to remove. You can still see the letters a little bit on it, even after spraying alcohol on it. So this permanent marker really goes into the material. But now it's really very barely visible. This is how you remove permanent markers from a whiteboard. And not just by removing the markers from the whiteboard, but removing the writing from it. With alcohol or isopropyl alcohol, even better, 95% or more. You can use the permanent markers on the whiteboard, but only once. Then you have to really clean it a lot harder. The dry erase markers, they come in different colors, the same as the permanent markers, and they're much easier to use on these whiteboards. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps you get rid of the permanent markers from the whiteboard. You could use actually even dish soap or some detergents, but the alcohol, 70% alcohol, works the best. This is not the original bottle of this alcohol spray. It's about 75% or 80% denatured alcohol. Thanks for watching.